Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're gonna chat about a really special type of Chinese tea, white tea. White tea is a mildly fermented tea that's mostly produced in Fujian province. But have you ever wondered why it's called white tea? Well, it's because it's made from these super delicate buds and leaves that have a ton of little hairs on the back. They don't get fixation or rolled like other teas, but instead dry out in the sun or over a gentle fire, which helps to preserve those little hairs and give the leaves a white appearance. So, let's get ready to explore the world of white tea together. When it comes to making white tea, the process is pretty basic. It involves withering and drying. But here's the thing, withering is actually the most important part of the process when it comes to creating high-quality white tea. There are two types of withering used: indoor withering and outdoor sunlight withering. As the fresh leaves go through the withering process, they gradually lose water and start to dry out. This causes their shape and inclusions to change, which ultimately leads to the unique and delicious flavor of white tea. To make high-quality white tea, you need to start with fresh leaves that are of the utmost quality. This means using fat buds and tea tree varieties. White tea is actually divided into 3 different types based on the variety of tea tree used: Bai, Shuixian Bai, and Xiao Bai. Additionally, white tea can also be categorized based on the tenderness of the fresh leaves, which results in 4 different types: silver needle, white peony, gong mei, and shou mei. The quality of white tea is largely determined by the quality of the fresh leaves used, followed by the tea-making process. Some of the key characteristics of high-quality white tea include a complete shape, plenty of little hairs on the leaves, a fresh aroma, a clear yellow-green soup color, and a light and sweet taste. When it comes to white tea, there are several main varieties to choose from, including Bai Hao Silver Needle, white peony, shou mei, gong mei, and more. Out of all these options, Bai Hao Silver Needle is considered the most valuable, followed by white peony. However, it's important to note that many commercially available Anji white teas are actually processed using the same method as green tea, which means they're technically a type of green tea rather than a true white tea. Bai Hao Indian is a type of white tea that's shaped like a bud, and it's made using only pure tea buds that are plump and sturdy. One of the key characteristics of this tea is its plump shape, bright color, and the presence of little white hairs all over the leaves. These leaves stand upright like needles and look white as silver. When brewed, the tea produces a bright and light apricot yellow soup color, and it has a fresh and slightly sweet flavor with a pleasant aroma. White peony tea is made from tea leaves that consist of 1 bud and 2 leaves. These leaves should have plump tea buds and thick leaves. The tea is characterized by its gray-green or dark green leaves, which have a silver-white luster, as well as its plump and tender leaves with silver hairs. When the tea leaves are formed, they take on a heart shape like a flower, which is how this tea got its name. When brewed, white peony has a rich aroma and taste, with a clear and bright apricot yellow soup color. The leaf base is light gray, while the surface is green with a white background. Additionally, the veins of the leaves are slightly red. White tea is one of China's 6 traditional teas and is considered to be a unique type of tea in China. It's a slightly fermented tea with the lowest degree of fermentation. Most white teas are made through natural withering and air drying. While there hasn't been a lot of research on the health benefits and mechanisms of action of white tea, traditional Chinese medicine believes that it has a cooling nature and can help clear heat, detoxify the body, lower fever, and even relieve toothaches. In particular, aged Bai Hao Silver Needle tea is believed to be effective in reducing fever and can be more effective than antibiotics for young children with measles. Traditionally, white tea has also been used as an antibacterial food to fight off infections caused by staphylococcal, streptococcal, pneumonia, flip-flopping bacteria, penicillium, and yeast. Recent studies have also found that white tea has anti-cancer properties, which have been confirmed in the United States. Today, we're going to explore the many health benefits of white tea. White tea is a traditional Chinese tea that not only boasts a rich aroma and flavor, but also has numerous health benefits. One of the most important benefits of white tea is its high antioxidant capacity. White tea contains a significant amount of tea polyphenol, which are natural antioxidants that can neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress damage to cells. The antioxidant capacity of white tea mainly comes from its catechin-like substances. Studies have shown that both white tea and green tea have antioxidant effects, but green tea has a stronger antioxidant capacity than white tea. However, white tea still ranks second only to green and black teas in antioxidant capacity, and is stronger than black tea. Additionally, cold-brewed white tea has been found to have better antioxidant capacity in preventing LDL-conjugated diene formation and tryptophan fluorescence deficiency in the body. The anti-wrinkling activity of white tea is also related to its tea polyphenol content and metal chelating ability. Therefore, white tea can be used as a natural antioxidant with excellent health benefits. White tea is known for its excellent antioxidant capacity, as well as its anti-cancer and anti-mutagenic effects. Studies have found that white tea has a better anti-mutagenic effect than green tea. In 2009, a study was conducted to evaluate the anti-mutagenic and in vitro anti-cancer effects of two types of white tea, White Peony and Bai Hao Silver Needle, compared to two types of reference teas, Westlake Longjing tea and Cloudy Green tea. The results of the study showed that white tea had a better anti-mutagenic effect than green tea. Additionally, both green tea and white tea exhibited certain anti-cancer effects. When treated with a mass concentration of 400 mg/ml, White Peony and Bai Hao Silver Needle had a better growth inhibition effect on gastric cancer cells and colon cancer cells than Longjing Green tea and Cloudy Green tea. This indicates that white tea has a better in vitro anti-cancer effect than green tea. White tea is not only a delicious beverage, but it also has antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral effects. Research has shown that white tea and black tea have similar microbial inhibiting activity, which can help prevent certain infectious diseases such as staphylococcal infections, streptococcal infections, pneumonia, and dental caries. Additionally, white tea is effective in killing some pathogenic bacteria and viruses, including Escherichia coli, Staphylococcus aureus, influenza virus, and hepatitis virus. Recent studies have also found that white tea has a good antibacterial effect on fungi, and white tea extract can completely kill Penicillium mycelia, brewer's yeast, and other fungi. Therefore, drinking white tea not only offers a delicious taste, but also helps prevent and relieve some infectious diseases. The caffeine and flavonols in tea can stimulate the adrenaline pituitary gland and excite our central nervous system. As a result, our muscles will contract more easily, fatigue will be relieved, our minds will be more alert, and our thinking will be more agile. At the same time, it also promotes blood circulation, dilates blood vessels, lowers blood pressure, and has a diuretic effect. It is said that white peony tea has the highest caffeine content and the most flavonols among all kinds of teas. So it is said that white tea can excite us more than other teas, and the effect of anti-fatigue and diuretic is also more significant. White tea contains tea polyphenol and tea polysaccharides, which have been found to resist radiation and help prevent and treat the decline of white blood cells caused by radiation damage. Additionally, topical application of white tea or green tea extract can protect the skin from UV damage. This protective effect is not due to white tea or green tea directly absorbing UV rays or providing sun protection, but rather because white tea or green tea extracts protect the skin from UV oxidative damage. White tea has been found to have a protective effect on the liver. Studies have shown that white tea extracts can significantly reduce the liver-damaging effects of CCl4. Additionally, the prolonged withering process during the production of white tea is one of the key factors that contribute to its liver protective effect. White tea is totally a game changer when it comes to skincare, all thanks to the powerhouse of polyphenol it packs. Here's the lowdown. 1. Antioxidant power. White tea's polyphenol are like your skin's personal bodyguards, fighting off aging and keeping your skin looking young, with fewer lines and a whole lot of bounce. 2. Skin brightening. This tea's got a knack for keeping melanin in check, which means it helps fade those pesky dark spots and evens out your skin tone, giving you that glow up we all crave. 3. Chill pill for skin. Got skin that's angry and inflamed? White tea to the rescue. Its catechins are like a cool breeze on a hot day for acne or eczema, calming things down and keeping your skin happy. 4. Deep cleansing. This brew's not just for sipping, it's like a detox for your pores. It pulls out the gunk and keeps your skin clear without all the drama. 5. Thirst quencher. White tea's polyphenol and amino acids are like a big drink of water for your skin, locking in moisture to kick dryness to the curb. Make it a regular thing and watch your skin thank you with a dewy look. So, if you're looking to score all these awesome benefits, just make white tea your go-to skin pal. Believe me, your skin will be super grateful. When drinking white tea, there are a few points to keep in mind. According to traditional Chinese medicine theory, white tea generally doesn't stimulate the stomach wall, but it has a cooling nature. Therefore, people with a cold stomach should avoid drinking it on an empty stomach. However, people with a hot stomach can drink it in moderation on an empty stomach. Additionally, white tea should not be brewed too strong because overly strong white tea can have a stimulating effect on the stomach. The elderly should be careful not to drink too much white tea. If you're interested in purchasing some of the teas we've discussed in this video, be sure to visit our tea website. We offer a wide variety of high-quality teas, from white to black, and everything in between. Visit our website www.AdmirinGazeLand.com to browse our selection and place an order today. Thanks for your support.